In today's video, I'll show you how to simply install a recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy S7. In order to do it, we'll need to unlock the bootloader first. Before we begin, remember that all the data will be erased on the device, so if you have anything important, back up your data before you continue. Now, in order to unlock the bootloader, we'll need to begin by going to the settings. Now, make sure you are connected to the internet by going to Connections, Wi-Fi, make sure it's enabled, and select a Wi-Fi network you'd like to connect to. If you don't connect to a Wi-Fi network, it may not show you an option of unlocking the bootloader in the developer options, which we'll get into in a moment. Now, let's check one thing to make sure that you can use the files in the description down below. If you go to About Phone and then find model number, you can see I have SMG930F. And this is the model that I have files from linked in the description down below. So if you have a different model, you will need to get different files. So yeah, that is important. But if you have the same model, you can use the files in the description down below. But no matter what model you have, you still will be able to follow this video. But if your phone is newer, if your Samsung is newer and looks more like this, for example, has different buttons, doesn't have the home button, then you may want to watch a different video on our channel because the buttons are quite important here. Okay, so now let's unlock the bootloader once you know the model. If you have the same one, remember you can use the files in the description down below. I'll talk about the files later. Let's go to software information in the phone info section and then tap on build number 7 times. It may ask you for the screen lock. Now also make sure that you have everything selected here, that you are not signed into your Google account. So go to Clouds and Accounts, then Accounts, and make sure that if you have a Google account here, click on it, remove it, so there's no Google accounts here, just to not be locked later with an FRP. Now go to Developer Options, and you should be able to find OEM Unlock and just switch it on, click on Turn On. If you don't see this option, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and possibly restart your phone after connecting to Wi-Fi. Now, let's turn the phone off by pressing and holding on the power button, tap on power off, tap on it again, and now get a cable ready. No, sorry, I don't think you need a cable for now. Let's try without a cable for now. So, press and hold on power, volume down and home at the same time. I know that's a lot, but power, volume down and home at the same time. Now you should see this screen, but sorry, it does not show me the option that I wanted. Okay, so apparently you don't need to do what I was trying to do on this phone because it's a bit older and it doesn't require it. So I'll just get out of it. Sorry for the possible or you can actually just click on volume up if you're already there, because we would need to do that anyway. So yeah, I think it's worth it. Just press and hold on power, volume down and home button to get to this screen, and then click on volume up to continue and get to download mode. So that's basically what we need to do for now. And now let's get to our computer. I'll just show you that. We'll plug in the phone in a moment, because for now we need to download a few files. You can see there's this link. If I haven't put it in the description down below, then you can find it here, but I'll probably remember about that. Now let's go to the browser and download 2 things and the file from the link down below. I'll get right here. Let's search for HardReset.Info. HardReset.Info. Then let's find it. The downloads. In the downloads, you will be able to download the Samsung drivers, which are right here. You can see. Just click on download here. If you can't see them on the list, they are typically on top of the list, but if you can't see them, then don't worry about it, because, well, you can just search for Samsung drivers on the list, and that's how you can find them. Now I'll search for Odin, which is another program that we'll need, that will let us push the files onto the phone. So download here. I think there's something wrong with my internet right now. Okay, yeah, you can see I have Odin, yeah, that's what we have here. Then the file from the link down below. Now, custom recovery for now. There's also a video on how to install a custom ROM, so you can watch that, and we also have the files for that. Now let's download it, like so. So it goes in pretty quickly. Now what you'll need to do is go to the File Explorer, find the downloads, and first go to Samsung driver, Samsung USB driver, and right click on it. Then extract all and extract, and it'll open this folder. Then open the file and install the driver. I already have it installed, so I won't do it now, but after installing it, make sure to restart your computer, otherwise it won't work. Now Odin, also right click on it, click on extract all, extract, and then go to the program and go to Odin exe. Click on OK, and as you can see, this is our program. Now what you'll need to do is plug your phone into the computer. Often micro USB cables don't work with data transfer, so make sure that your cable works with that. I have this old rusty cable, but we'll see. If I plug it in, it should light up. It has lit up, so my cable works. Now go to options, unselect auto reboot and factory reset time, and click on the AP button. Now go to downloads and find your TWRP for the phone. Click on open, then click on start. Wait a moment. Once it says pass here, you can now enter the recovery mode. To do it, you will need to press and hold on power and volume down, and until the screen goes off, so that'll be about 7 seconds. And once it does, while still pressing the power button, move your finger from volume down to volume up, keep pressing the power button, and add the home button. So let's try it now. Power and volume down. And once the screen goes off, move to power. Okay, now I should be able to release it, or I shouldn't have. I think I shouldn't have. But let's see. I shouldn't have released it, but it went into the recovery anyway. So I'm there already. I can swipe here, and I'm in this in the recovery mode. Now I could do anything I wanted here, and that's basically it for this video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.